The Express Water Heavy Metal Whole House Water Filter is designed to protect your home by filtering all incoming water, ensuring cleaner water for drinking, showering, and cooking. This two-stage filtration system uses catalytic carbon and ionically charged copper and zinc granules to reduce major impurities such as heavy metals, chlorine, rust, and industrial solvents. The system is highly efficient and durable, capable of filtering up to 100,000 gallons of water or lasting for 6 to 12 months depending on water quality. With 1-inch connections and high-efficiency housings, the system maintains excellent water pressure throughout your home, delivering up to 0.25 gallons of water every second. Installation is straightforward thanks to the stainless steel freestanding frame, and the system includes pressure release buttons and gauges for easy monitoring. The Express Water Filtration System provides a comprehensive solution for healthier water, extending the life of household appliances and offering more convenience than other filtration methods.